Say good morning, Abba. Good morning, Abba. Say, when are you gonna come visit me? When is Abba coming to visit you? Huh? Say, I smile a lot now. Huh? Yeah. I want to talk now. Huh? Yes. What are you trying to say? Hmm? What are you trying to say? What do you want to say? Bye-bye.